What's up guys, welcome to another quick unboxing video from Fuji. It's the Fuji X-H2s. So inside the box we have user manuals. Now Fuji no longer gives you a user manual, they just give you a QR code which you scan with your phone to read the manuals, which I think is a smart move. Inside the box we have a USB to USB-C cable, a nice strap, some international plugs, the battery, and now for the reason we are here. The Fuji X-H2s APS-C camera. Some of the camera body features include the PASAMS dial. It has a 7 customizable dial where you could customize each one. Comes with a flip screen, the ISO button, the white balance button, the on and off switch, the record button is here, full-size HDMI, mics, headphone compartments, ports for USB-C. You can use one CF Express Type B card and one SD card. Battery compartment. The camera can shoot in 4K 120p, 6.2K in 30 frame, HD in 240p. It can also record Apple ProRes HQ internally in 10-bit at 422. It can also record externally ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW. It has up to 7 stops of internal body image stabilization, which we call IBIS. I have the option of getting a separate fan to cool the camera. I still have my Sony cameras, so this will serve as my third camera. It gives me more leverages and options. Like, share, subscribe, and till the next video, peace.